Hello everyone. Let's solve a simple time and work problem without using LCM. Suppose A can do a piece of work in 10 days and B can do the same work in 20 days. In how many days can A and B together complete the work? Can you solve this problem? This is a simple grade 8 question, but in competitive exams, many students make a common mistake when the available options are the following. Most students taking 15, taking it as average. But A alone can finish it in 10 days. If they work together, how it would be more than 10 days? Funny, right? A and B together must finish it in less than 10 days. Usually this question is solved using the unitary method, using fractions, LCM, and then taking reciprocal. But in this video, I will show you how to solve it without using LCM. Let's reveal the trick. It's very simple. Just assume the total work is 20. Because this number is divisible by both 10 and 20. I will assume the work is shifting 20 chairs from Chennai to Bangalore. Just assume some work in order to understand the problem. Let's discuss the capacity of person A. It's given A can do it in 10 days. Take the 20 chairs. He is completing the task in 10 days. It means he is shifting 2 chairs per day. It means A does 2 units per day. Now let's talk about B. B can do it in 20 days. Again, let's take 20 chairs. So he is shifting 20 chairs in 20 days. It means he is shifting 1 chair per day. So B capacity is 1 unit per day. If they work together, 2 plus 1 is 3 units per day. In first day, 3 chairs will be shifted. In day 2, 6 chairs will be shifted. In day 3, 9 chairs will be shifted. In day 4, 12 chairs will be shifted. In day 5, 15 chairs will be shifted. In day 6, 18 chairs will be shifted. So after 6 days, 18 chairs will be shifted. Now the remaining work is 2 units. Therefore, time required is 2 by 3 day. So the total time is 6 2 by 3 days. First, let me compute using the general method. In 6 days, work will be 18 units. Remaining work is 2. So the time needed is 2 by 3 day. To convert into hours, just we need to multiply with 24. We get 16. It's very simple calculation. Simplify 24 by 3, which gives 8, and multiply to 8 is 16. So the final answer is 6 days, 16 hours. Now I want to discuss one common error made by the students while doing this calculation. Consider the same thing. The time required for remaining 2 chairs is 2 by 3 day. Convert this fraction into decimal, we get 0.66. Multiply by 24 to get into hours, but we get 15.84. We are not getting exact answer 16. Why? Because 0.66 is only approximation. The true value of 0.66 is repeating forever. The tiny difference makes the product slightly less than 16. So fraction gives exact result while decimals are just rounded versions. Now let's have a crazy mathematical calculation. Now we are discussing about 2 chairs which left after 6 days. Now by the logic, A is doing the main job and B is just traveling with him. Does this reduce the time? No. Because in mathematics, time depends on rate of work, not on who is standing nearby. So the time will be taken is 24 hours. Now the same case with slightly modified version. Suppose A is shifting one by one chair. For it, A takes 12 hours and B 24 hours. Whether they work together or work separately, the time needed is 24 hours. Now we got different answer. Instead of 6 days 16 hours, now we have 7 days. For the two chairs also we need complete 1 day 24 hours. Now let's have different approach. Now let's think any other work in hours, just like painting a wall. Now for which A takes 12 hours and B 24 hours as it is given in the question. Now working together makes only 8 hours, simply adding the fractions. For this case, the time required is 6 days 8 hours. Now we have three different answers. In the previous slide, I told that the answer is 6 days 16 hours, but here we got 7 days and 6 days 8 hours, and we may get different answers when we assume some other task. Now imagine these options appear in the competitive examination. Which one you pick? Most seems to be correct based on different context. Let me clarify something first. We assume 20 chairs only to understand, but the actual work is not shifting the chair. Hence the total time is 6 by 3 days, which means 16 hours. So the correct answer is 6 days and 16 hours. So if you know the exact task, use the logic according to the question. Else just apply the basic mathematical calculations. Use the smart assumptions before solving the problems related to time and work. At the same time, remember that it is not actual work. Don't rush up, think smartly. Sometimes, even we don't require any calculations if the options available are the following.
Because we can easily pick up 6 as it is lesser than 10.
So stay cool and look at problems from different angles. Thank you. See you in the next video.